Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Shit, shit, shit. Shit, shit, shit. Squatchy, squatchy today. Not good. This guy doesn't care anyway. He look at me, he's like, whatever. So what's up guys, Raider Summit 2018. So that's four event I'm looking forward every year. MMU motovlogger meeting, that was last week. Summit, Raider 150 Summit, that is this Sunday. Keep It Dirty in April. This one is Keep It Dirty 3, that's the 3rd of April. Not the 3rd, the 8th of April. And Motobil Philippine, which now is Makina show in May. So this week is Raider 150 Summit. So if you have a Raider, I guess I'll see you there. There's always, last year I didn't buy anything, but this year I'm planning to buy some stuff from there. There's always some racing boys there. I need some new gloves. Yeah, I need a carburetor. Maybe I buy a carburetor 28, but I'm not sure yet. So I will have a look. Just come and it's free anyway. If you have a Raider, it's free. You can get in. Just get your ORCR and register online. And yeah, come. If you don't have a Raider, ask some of your friends who have a Raider, and just come and enjoy. There's actually a free meal also. And there's 5 Raider to win. 5 Raider carb to win. Last year it was only 2. That's why you need to stay until the end to make sure you get a chance to win a Raider. If I win a Raider, I sell this one, I sell the new Raider, and I buy a FI. And I take the money and I go on holiday. Pretty good deal, no? So yeah, I'll see you guys Sunday at the Raider Summit in World Trade Center. Bye.
Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my